For 2022, I have 3 predictions concerning the role of technology in the automotive industry. Firstly, we will see more and more automated and autonomous driving solutions. This is partly due to the ever-growing number of test cases and use cases in real life, but also due to improved artificial intelligence that accelerates the learning process for autonomous driving systems. And last but not least, regulatory frameworks are being put in place. For example, in 2021, Germany was the first country to adopt a law on autonomous driving. And in light of this law, Mercedes-Benz announced to put on the market this year its first models with autonomous driving functions. They will allow the driver to shift the focus away from the driving to other activities in slow-moving traffic on German motorways. Other companies aim to offer commercial services where they bring a car in a remote way, so by teledriving to the customer then uses the car, and parking is again done remotely. This is, by the way, also a great example for the growing importance of mobility as a service, which will help reduce the number of cars and thus to save natural and economic resources. Secondly, tech will play an increasing role to tackle climate change. Regulators all around the world have announced to take strict measures to reduce and ultimately end greenhouse gas emissions caused by vehicles within the next few years. This means that higher investments will be made into battery electric vehicles and other alternatives to combustion engines. For battery electric vehicles, this means that tech is necessary to further expand the range of batteries, their efficiency, but also to reduce charging times. Moreover, tech can improve the charging infrastructures. Software solutions can make charging more user-friendly for consumers. But there are also new hardware use cases, such as an induction field charging on public roads while the cars are driving. And thirdly, artificial intelligence and the Internet of Things will really be key to the automotive industry, not only to autonomous driving or the charging of vehicles, but to the automotive industry in general. For example, speech technology and computer vision will determine the interaction between the driver and the vehicle. Moreover, the maintenance of cars, their components and systems, as well as software updates, can be facilitated by using Internet of Things and artificial intelligence solutions. For example, vibration sensors built into a component and connected to their manufacturer can send signals which are then analyzed by artificial intelligence systems and thus help optimize the maintenance of these components and again save resources for this. These are just a few examples of the exciting opportunities and the fast pace of the transformation of the automotive industry. However, they also bring along challenges. And one of the key challenges is to maintain a high level of safety, both for the passengers and other road users. And within the safety, a key role plays also cybersecurity, which needs to be taken into account in the development process, the manufacturing, and then later on the use, maintenance and update of cars.